know this is a random video, but I am doing this because I got a bigger storage bin for my paints, so we're gonna put all my paints in here. Probably some of my other stuff, like, where is, yeah, my paint supplies. But yeah, hopefully this all fits. But I also got two. I thought I only bought one, but I guess that's okay too. I have so much paint, you guys. It's unbelievable. But that's okay, I guess. Look at this. So much paint. I guess that can go in there. Like, this is a lot of paint. It's not even full yet. This is just the only beginning. I don't think it's gonna fill all the way up. Who knows? Hard to say. Like, how can I have this much paint? I mean, I like to paint, but I didn't realize I had this much paint, honestly. That's a stylus I found from my iPad. That doesn't go in there. I don't need that. You know what? I can dump this whole thing. Holy tomato sauce. This is a lot of paint. But I don't think that's the only beginning. This is what I have to paint, and I got more in another bag, but I think this should do for now because of it being the way it is. I am so glad I got a storage bin. I'm gonna keep all my paint supplies and other stuff in here. But yeah, thank you for watching, I guess. Just wanted to see if it filled up. So let's see if it closes. Yeah, perfect. I wonder if it can fit under my bed. Fits under my bed perfectly. Nice. Now I have more room in my room, because that was just taking up too much space. Totally worth the buy. I like that.